everyone, welcome back to Lina's Pretend Play.
In this video,
We're gonna talk about some
speed, distance, and time.
basically about science
Time.
this time. So explanation and the rule for this. So what is speed? I see two pictures here. Did you see
Okay,
something?
first, this is my first question.
Mhm.
Who's faster? I feel like the 5 or 6 year old kid.
Of course, it's the
Yeah.
person who is in the
Yeah.
car. A child
Looks
who
like
is in the
it's
car is
faster.
more faster than that girl. Yeah. So what is speed, Lina?
Wee. That's actually the girl.
Okay. Can you explain what is
So
speed?
Okay, we'll just do it on that side.
Mhm.
So understanding speed. Speed tells us how fast or how
Slow.
how slow the person is going,
Good.
or something.
Yeah.
Like it could be like
It could be a faster than a
could be
plane.
like a jet, a plane, a train,
Or-
a car.
Slow can be the person who is human walking.
Yeah, a robot, a human, and another thing, and another thing.
Okay.
A
Move on.
baby.
Yeah. Move on. Keep on. So speed is kilometer per hour. What is
By the way,
Lina? What do you think? What is kilometer per hour?
well, I just need to tell you guys something.
Yeah.
You know what this is? What that actually is per. This means per.
Yeah.
Just letting you guys know.
Okay.
This.
Good. So
Equals
what
this.
speed in kilometer per hour? So what you mean by kilometer per hour in there? So that means it's unit, right?
Yeah.
So speed has
So
a
it's
unit
a
in
unit.
kilometer
It
per
has
hour.
a unit.
Yeah. And do you notice this
Yeah.
30?
So in the school zone, at all times, well, I have two types of school zone. Like there's one online school zone, then a school zone. So a school zone.
Mhm.
So like a school zone is like, I'll just kind of draw my school, though that's not even close to my school. Just whatever. So pretend this is a school. Okay? And then there's classrooms everywhere. So, and there's like roads.
Okay. What you're trying to show
And then
them?
it keeps on going.
What you're trying to show?
So, where these roads are,
Yeah. They are the school zone.
yeah, where the roads closest to the school is the school zone. It's like this whole part is the school zone,
Yeah.
and including the other part, which is
Okay.
I don't have space for it.
Yeah. And then that is 100 kilometer per hour. That means
No, but here's a sign. Here's a sign. Here's a sign.
yeah. So this is a school zone, and that is
30
and that could be a highway.
km
Good. Erase it, Lina.
per
Very well explained.
hour. That's
Go next. Yeah. So that one will be highway.
Oh, no. Or no, I don't think it's a highway. It looks like a race car because it has that little thing at the end. So I think it's actually in a race.
Yeah. So race is basically highway. So you can go speed. Okay. Explain more.
No, let's just go to the next side.
Yeah.
Okay, a car speed in a school zone, like I said,
30 kilometer
because
per
there's
hour.
kids walking to school, right? They could
It's
be
safer.
they could be like crossing the road or something. Like my example, my super bad example.
No, that is good. Yeah.
It
next.
kind of looks like my school.
Yeah.
And then there's like a crosswalk over here.
Yeah.
And then I crossed there because I walked to school. So
Okay. And
and then normal car speed. That is not a normal car speed. That is not.
normal is basically
That's
40
only on
to 50.
highway. That's
50
only
or
a highway.
60.
That's
Yeah.
only a highway.
Yeah. Okay.
And then
So-
this is a train.
Now it comes speed in a kilometer per
But
hour.
I think this is no. I think one of these two are the Japanese bullet train
Yeah.
because they
definitely.
had a train like that.
So you can see the different train has a different kilometer per hour
Train
speed.
speeds.
Yeah, so this one has 600 kilometer per hour. This one
That one has 603
kilometer per hour, and that is
380 kilometers.
so.
per hour.
For example,
So, like,
Nina.
for example,
Mhm. Okay, you're
so
gonna.
one time, like when I was in like I don't know what grade, like we went to Drumheller,
Mhm.
and that's a 3 hour, basically 3 hour,
From
3 hour
Edmonton
drive
to Drumheller.
from
Yeah.
Edmonton, Allard,
Mm.
all the way to Drumheller because it's like down below Calgary or something. Yeah, and then it's in the grasslands.
And how long it took us?
It took us 3 hours.
Yeah.
So if we took that train, the first one, then it only take us 1 hour to get there. I mean, 30 minutes to get there.
Yes. Yeah. Because
Because
it's
this,
600.
so to get somewhere, like to get like to a further place, not Drumheller, it would be 1 hour. But
Like
to get
Ottawa.
to get to Ottawa, it will be like 1 hour.
No. For Ottawa, it will be maybe 3 hours or 4 hours.
Yeah. But
Yeah.
then that one, it'll be 3 hours.
Yeah.
And then this is basically the same as 3 hours.
And that is the halfway.
Hour.
Good.
And then this is like halfway of 6.
So you're getting this
Hundred.
the knowledge of kind of like speed. What kind of speed you're learning, right?
Well, I'll just go to
Yeah. So you.
Now we have plane speed.
Woo! That's the fastest one.
This is just NE. Just saying.
Okay, that's okay. Airplane actually, not plane speed.
Yeah. Actually,
Automobile.
these are jets. Actually, they're not planes.
They're not.
They're
They are the
jets.
superpower planes.
Yeah, they're jets.
Yeah,
They're
it's
jets.
called North American X-15 aircraft.
Okay, so the first one is the fastest one of our jets.
Yeah.
But there's actually faster.
7,270.
I heard that there's a faster. No, I heard that there's a faster jet speed than that.
Maybe.
There is.
So
we have
going
the first one as how much speed?
7,273.
73.
Wow.
I can't even
Not
say
even
it.
7. That's more than
I can't
that.
even say it.
It's wrong. Okay. 7,200 and something.
702. The 7,200.
It's okay.
Whatever.
There is
yeah, whatever.
It's
I
okay.
don't know what
So
it says.
3,000. Second one is
3,088.
yeah, and the other one
And then 3,370.
kilometer per hour. Okay, good. So if you want to go from here to Nepal, how long this plane will take? Nepal is basically
10 hours away.
yeah,
If you
with the
take
normal
plane-
plane, right? With the 1,000
It's
kilometer
like
per
if you
hour,
go on one plane only, then it'll take like
maybe 1 or 2 hours.
yeah. No.
For with this plane.
Yeah, with that plane,
Yeah.
1 or 2 hours, but with a
But-
normal plane, just going straight from here,
Just check there.
straight
It
to
will
the
take maybe
pole.
12 hours, something.
Like 10, 12, 15 hours.
Okay, next please.
The
Ah.
normal walking speed.
That's our BMW. You know what is BMW?
Yes,
Bus?
it's a car.
No.
No,
Bus
it's a car. It's a car. It's a car.
with the person. Bus, metro, and walk. BMW is bus, metro, and walk.
But that's a corny.
Yeah.
I have like 3 BMWs by this area. I could see them.
Okay, so can you explain
One
more?
of them is my neighbor.
Yeah.
So,
So
walking
walking
speed.
speed, basically, normal walking speed could be
So average walking speed is like for normal people
5 kilometers.
5 kilometers,
Per
but
hour.
some could be 2 kilometers, 3 kilometers, 4 kilometers.
Depends on the person's
Yeah.
speed,
Yeah,
right?
it depends.
But the average is 5.
yeah, average is 5.
Okay, good. So let us say how long it's gonna take you to go to school. Let us say your school is
15
1
minutes.
kilometer.
Okay, 1 kilometer away.
Yeah.
So
So
that'll
with this
take-
speed, it will take how long?
Like 15 to 20 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
And then if I had 1 kilometer speed, it would be like not
1
even
hour.
5 minutes.
It's more. Yeah. Okay. So explain more. Let's see.
So DST, triangle rule. The D stands for distance, the S stands for speed, and the T stands for time.
Nice. And then triangle.
That's why it's called deci, because they can't fit it all in a triangle. Like if I tried that, if I tried that, like let me draw a triangle and then let me just draw like this and then let me try fitting the whole thing. That's the distance.
Are you trying to do what?
Oh. And see, it's going out.
The shortcut.
It's going out and then speed.
Okay, Lina, we got it.
And then actually time.
Okay.
Keep going. Okay, whatever.
So distance, speed, and triangle has a rules, and we're gonna explain you more.
I can do it.
Okay,
I can do it. Like I said,
yeah.
D is distance, S is speed, T is time.
So what is the rule there?
So the rule.
Keep going.
Yeah, I got it. So we have this here again. It just popped out.
Yeah. So the rule is.
Okay. So the rules are. Yeah. Okay.
So distance equal to
speed times time.
Seems like distance is the bigger of them. Speed and time, right? No, not necessary, right?
Okay, let's do the next one. So this is another rule. This is the next.
So just remember, distance is on top. So and then speed and time is bottom.
Yes.
Yeah. Good.
Okay.
Oh.
So right now we're doing D.
Yeah. What is the speed rule?
I think it's D divided by distance divided by time.
Yep. Good.
Yep, I'm right.
Yeah. So speed equal to distance
also
divided by time.
Divide. I know like divide is like the symbol, but you could for like doing it, you could also do it like this.
Yeah. So just keep that triangle in your mind. Okay. Now the speed time is equal to.
So time is equal to distance
divided
by speed.
Speed. Yeah. So now let's see some example how we can solve that problem. Practice time.
Yep.
Ready for practice? So a car travels at a speed of 100 km per hour for 4 hours. So how far?
This is a spelling mistake.
How far does?
How
far does it travel? So what is far mean? What are we trying to find out here?
So what we need to do, I think we need to times the speed times time. I think we need to actually do that now. So 1,000.
Lina, can you please explain me what we're trying to find out here?
We're trying to find the answer.
For what answer? What you're trying to find? Speed, time, or distance?
How far?
So what is far means?
How far it travels.
Lina, be careful. What we're trying? Speed we are trying to find out, or time we are trying to find out, or distance?
Speed.
No.
Distance.
So we are trying to find out. So when you see how far does it travel, that means distance. Okay? So because
and then for speed it'll be how fast.
Yeah, could be. And time could be something like
how
long.
How that. How short, how long. Okay. So I think what we need to do here. So let's just do it here. Yeah.
So remember the rules. The distance is equal to
times 4. Okay. So we have that written down.
Distance is equal to what?
So distance. Okay, I know so distance equals to speed times time.
Exactly.
Time.
Good.
So what I'm trying to say is we just had the times in. So instead of doing 0 times 4, we could just take out the 2 zeros. And basically it's 1 times 4, which is 4. And then you just add 2 zeros. That's it. So now, voila!
So what will be the unit here? 400 what?
400 kilometers per hour.
No. So here, Lina, let me show you.
There's one there.
Yeah, that's okay. So distance, right? So speed is here 100 kilometer per hour. Okay, and then times 4 hours, right? So hour is gone, and so it's only equal to 400 kilometers.
Yeah, that's what I
There you
said.
go. No, you didn't
That's
say.
what I said.
It's more practice we need, right? So each every has a unit there. Okay, so just keep on that in your mind.
That's
Okay.
okay.
That hurts. Next.
Okay. Yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
we know.
There you go.
And then that's
Practice
what-
more again. So there now what we need to find here. So an express train travels 1500 kilometer in 3 hours. What is the speed of the time?
Yeah, now it's
Train.
the speed.
So what you
Oops.
are looking for here? What are we
So
trying to find
what
out?
I'm looking for here is how fast it goes or slow. Fast or slow.
So speed.
Yeah, the speed.
So speed is equal to, you have that triangle.
D divided by time.
So D is,
I mean distance divided by time.
yeah, so distance is
Distance is
1500
1500
and time is 3.
3.
So how much it will be?
So basically, it's the same thing as I did. So we just do 15 divided by 3, which is 5.
Mhm.
Because 5 times 3 equals 15.
Yeah. So 500
So 500, you just
kilometer.
put the zeros.
Yeah,
500 kilometers per hour.
exactly. Very good.
That's what I said last time.
Yeah. But the last time we were not finding the speed, we were finding the distance.
Yeah.
The distance. Okay, there you go.
And that's
That's
it.
all. Thank you so much. It's so much things to practice and lots of formulas there. So hope you enjoy and keep practicing.
Bye.
Bye.